Good afternoon everyone and welcome to today's online PE lesson. Today we're going to be looking at how exercise affects our heart rate. So we're going to see if you can measure and explain changes in your heart rate when we exercise. To do this, we're going to measure our heart rate before we do some exercise and after we do some exercise. We are going to do 3 different exercises. We're going to do a low intensity, a medium intensity, and a high intensity. And we're going to see if the results are different from each one. So for my low intensity exercise, I've chosen a plank. Not much running, so should be quite a low score. Before we do the plank, we're going to measure our heart rate. So my resting heart rate was 71 beats per minute. We are then going to do the exercise. At the end of the exercise, you will measure again to see if your heart rate has changed. You're then going to write down your new heart rate in the next box. Once you finish your exercise, you're going to wait to see how long it takes you for your heartbeat to get back down near your first resting heart rate. You may need to check your heart rate several times to see when it is finally back down to resting. You're then going to record how long it takes in the last box. You're going to do the same thing for your medium intensity. So I picked jogging. And you're going to do the same for the high intensity. So I've gone for step-ups. You can choose any exercise you like that you think falls into those low, medium, and high. To make sure that your test is fair, make sure you do your exercises for the same amount of time. So you're going to need a parent to time you or a stopwatch. What do you think is going to happen with our results? Once we have our results, we're going to get another person to do the test. This may be a parent, it may be a brother or a sister. And then we're going to compare the data that they get to the data that you got. So here is our data. You're then going to get somebody else to do the test, and you're going to write down their results next to yours. Now their results will not be the same as yours, as on my sheet here. They will be different. How do you think their results are going to be different? You can either draw your own table, or you can download the table that I have done for you on our YouTube channel. If you want to hand in your results, you can do using parent apps. Just take a quick photo on your phone or your iPad and get your parents to send it in.